There's a leaf stuck. Good morning. It is the prettiest afternoon. Ooh, I think I fall in that hole every time I walk down here. It is the prettiest afternoon. I've finished my night shifts. Had a little sleep because I am on call, but it's not likely I'll be called in, so I didn't sleep all day. And I put potatoes in the ground. I've planted a bunch of seedlings. I'm again losing another battle with some ducks. So I've got my drake in, but you'd think the girls would follow him, but they're not interested. And I would rather the drake be with them than not be with them, and he's throwing the biggest tantrum. So I'll let him out because the girls aren't coming. I've left them for like 20-30 minutes with all of the food in with him, and they're not even going near the cage. All right. Is that better, Truffles? Oh. Oh. Well, go on then. Waddle along. Go join your girls. You little rascals. I am a little worried though, because I can only see two of my white girls, my pure white girls, which are my original duckies. Now she could be off somewhere with some eggs. It's that time of year. They've been here long enough now that that might be what she's doing. Or she might have been nabbed by something. So I don't like the idea of them being out at all, but they are not making life easy. But they all do go over to this side of the dam and climb up the embankment. So I do wonder if she's there, but there's no way for me to get there without swimming across or trekking through like really long grass, which I'm not keen on doing. How is you? Come here. No? You're so funny. It has been a very busy day. Oh, they're doing it again. The cows keep playing really rough and like pushing stuff around. Every time I walk over there, they act like they're doing absolutely nothing, so I can't even record it. But it's been a busy day. I've been raking up leaves, I've been playing with Daisy, I've been raking up all the dried grass to put in bedding in the compost. I've attempted to make a brooder, I have not made a brooder. I've attempted to put the ducks away, I've failed yet again at putting the ducks away. I think unless I become an Olympic swimmer, those ducks are not going to be sleeping in a pen at night. They used to put themselves to bed. I didn't usually have to try this hard, but now they'll only eat the food if I'm nowhere near there, because I've worked out if I'm near there, I'll shut the door behind them. I've had one egg. I don't know where else they'd be hiding the egg, probably the other side of the dam, so I'll never see any duck eggs. I made a mistake of accidentally turning off the brooder, so until it turns back on, I am Mama Hen. Handsome boy. such a funny looking chicken. Hey? Don't be fooled. These guys are mean. They're cute. Oh, yes, I called you mean. You are mean. I've built a big brooder for my newest chicks. They have made an absolute mess of it already. It was only set up yesterday, but anyway, they've thrown their food everywhere. And straws everywhere. It's got a tarp underneath because there's actually no base to it, but it's in my garage. This is my quail baby. He is very sweet. Aren't you, darling? He likes to hang out. He'll come over and he'll want to be picked up. He's got the most beautiful colouring. I don't know what even colour of quail that is, but I've got to look it up. Because I just really have... I had some tuxedos and I had some pharaohs in my one, but I've got these eggs from someone else. And these are my little Sussex chicks, and then I've got 2 Pekin Bantams, I believe they are. These are going to be our meat chicken stock, really, so that was super exciting. I'll have to source a roost from somewhere else. Hey! They haven't been super socialised, so they're not. Unlike the quail who'll run over, they kind of just run away. Hello! Oh, hello. I've picked some calendula so I can put it in some coconut oil and put it into a face scrub I'm going to make. Look how many seeds they put up. I can't believe how easily these things grow. And they just put off so many flowers. What on earth is that in your mouth? Come here. Come here. Yeah, I can get it off for you. Oh no, you got it. Oh, it was a moth. I thought it was plastic. She's trying to eat a moth. You're a good little forager, aren't you, sweetie? Hey, Cindy. Now, Cindy hasn't been looking too well lately. You can have a bit of calendula if you like. You can see her comb's flopped over. And she's a bit... Excuse me. Get out of it. She's a bit more raspy than usual, so when we got her, she just kind of did this thing, but only really ever if I was picking her up or doing anything. We treated her in case it was, they can get this throat worm, so she's been treated twice for that. She's been treated with antibiotics, and nothing ever got better. None of the other chooks have ended up sick, so the only thing they can put it down to is maybe she has some sort of cancer or something there, but up until recently she's been well with it, whether lately not so much. Her comb's flopped over a bit and she's gasping a little bit more. However, she's still happy. She runs around for food, she's eating and she's drinking, so we'll just play it by day, and if she needs to go, then she can go then, but for now she can still hang out with us because she's still happy. It doesn't seem to affect her that much. Hey? And I've decided fluffy buttered chickens are my favourite. They're just so cute. Look at yous. You're a goof. What are you two goose doing? Hey, Clover. Hi. Go on. Loki, don't! It's an electric fence. I think she'll just have fun with it. Get it, girl. Oh, maybe she's not going to be able to bite into it. Did I just give you a cruel little present? Sorry. I thought you'd be able to get it. Oh, there it is. Go on, girl. There we go. You love pumpkin. Probably need to be careful of that little electric wire right there. Is it good? Is it good? Bit of a challenge for you. Hi.